Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola G73. So, at the start, when I have a problem with my headphones, I will always start from two simplest way. Just slide up the up menu and hold the finger on the Bluetooth. Now go to the connection preferences and tap on the Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart. You can also restart your phone by holding the power button, I think, or maybe the power button volume up, yes, and click restart. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth device. At the start you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible with two other devices, and in the most devices you have to enable a pair mode. How to do it you will find in the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to click the button and hold it for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself. So, if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's still not visible for your phone, you can also go to the settings, slide down to the system and go to the reset options. Now you can see that we have a Bluetooth reset, so tap on it and tap on the reset settings. Remember, the mobile data and Wi-Fi settings is included. After that, I recommend you to update your system. So go to the system, go to the about phone and check for your Android version. I'm not sure where is the update options here. You can use just a search bar. Just check that you have any update and in this app, and if you have any, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on another device to check which one making a problem and which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.